dein Auto. Nein! Wer uns helfen will, kann eine Parkplatz übernehmen.
Heavy rain and once-in-a-generation floods has caused the collapse of 6 houses in Germany's western state of Rhineland-Palatinate, leaving several people missing and many stranded on rooftops. Earlier reports by broadcaster SWR said around 30 people were missing and about 25 more homes were at risk of collapse in the district of Sud-Bei-Adenau, in the hilly Eifel region, citing police. "We currently have an unclear number of people on roofs who need to be rescued," a spokesperson for the Koblenz police told Reuters. "There are many places where fire brigades and rescue workers have been deployed. We do not yet have a very precise picture because rescue measures are continuing," the spokesperson added. Rail, road and river transport has been disrupted in the country's most populous region. Advertisement: The German Weather Service issued an extreme weather warning on Wednesday for parts of 3 western states, while Hagen, a city of 180,000, declared a state of emergency after the Volm River burst its banks.
Vorbei. Vorbei. Hier kommt ein Auto. Vorbei.